Hello everyone, I'm back with another toy review for the Mule channel, and my name is Colton and I'll be doing some reviews for you. So today is the Transformers Siege series, and we have the little itty bitty ones, Swindler and Road Handle, more itty bitties, Flak and Top Shot, we have Hound, the classic Autobot. We have Chromia. I love the blue and white. It looks so nice. Just pops. Just pops. I know you're getting glare, but Chromia. I guess I should have shown you the back of this one. I love Hound. There he goes to the Jeep. That's awesome. And then Chromia is kind of like a futuristic car. The best for last. Oh my god, Becky. Ironhide. Absolute one of my favorite characters of Transformers. Look how big that gun is. He's last. We're gonna save him for last. We're gonna start with the little itty bitties. So we have little itty bitties on this one. I always keep the box because sometimes I want to put them back in the box. I missed one. Try to not make a mess. Of course, they all come with the instruction manual. Let's do Autobot Top Shot. So Top Shot. So they say he's Autobot. I'm guessing that means that there's a Decepticon version of him as well. Not bad articulation. It's kind of like a little tank. He's just a little guy. I guess they're both tanks. And then this one is Flak, the green one. Green, gray. So some red. I love the designs on these. So we're gonna start with Top Shot. Bear with me here, bear with me. Okay. I'm already puzzled. This doesn't make sense. Oh, there we go. Okay. Some of the pieces are pretty loose. I guess that's it. This one. Transformers, more than meets the eye. Transformers, more than meets the eye. Evil purses of the Decepticons. I know I've mixed. Oh, we just lost a leg, buddy. Just lost a leg. Whoops. Okay, but it goes back in. I'm still confused. Okay. How does... Oh, this clips in. Oh, I see. So it's like a tank with a little rocket launchers on top. I like that one. Flak. I like Flak more than Top Shot. But those are the little guys. Now, apparently they combine to form a gun. You see that? Now, how do we get the gun? Okay. Sorry, my cat is meowing as always. Shh, Alfred. Okay, that's half the gun, and then the other one. Stop it. Stop it. Shh. Oh, bear with me here. Bear with me. I'm trying to figure this out. Swindles his hips. Look at that little head socket on the bottom. I guess it's... What? Oh, maybe that's not the head. Maybe it's the other part. It's funny looking. They can combine together to form kind of a gun. It's very interesting. I don't like it. I don't like that gun feature. I like it better when it's just a tank. You know, if Flak is the tank, I like that a lot better. I like them just individually like that, so. Okay, we've got the little tank. We've got the little guys. We're good. Oh, we got more little guys. I forgot. So this is Swindle and Road Handler. I like these ones, the little cars. I always like the cars more than the tanks or whatever. Okay. Yeah, we got our instruction books. Swindler. Let's do Swindler first. He's the gray one. Actually, they look the same. They look basically the same, so we'll see. We'll see. Oh, this one's easy. good articulation. It's actually a pretty good toy. How does his legs come in though? Okay. Pretty easy little guy. Again, this Transformers Siege War for Cybertron trilogy. It's gonna be a Netflix TV show. I don't know when it's coming out. They didn't say. I don't think they had a release date. But I mean, if these are the action figures, you know, that's pretty sweet. Because these figures are awesome. Oh, my door came off. Oh, this one's limbs keep coming off. There we go. A red and a silver. Very nice. It's got 4 little guys. And now it's time for the main event of the evening. I'm going to split this up into 2 parts. So this will be part 1. We'll do Hound in this one, okay? And part 2 of the series, we'll have Chromia and Ironhide. Whew, I don't even want to open them. They're so nice. I want to do like a Transformers short film using action figures. What do you think about that? Let me know in the comments if you want to see a short movie about Transformers action figures where I do all the vocals. So again, this is Hound. Usually there's like a blurb or something. It doesn't say it. Deluxe class though. He's a deluxe class. Heavy duty away. We got our instruction booklet and we got the nice backdrop. I'm a fan of the new ones though. There's the new series of Transformers toys. I don't know if you've seen this. This is the new Bumblebee. It's called Bumblebee Cyberverse Adventures. I don't know what it's from. I think is it a comic book series? I'm not sure. But I knew they're new. I saw them at a store. I've got Bumblebee, Optimus, and Megatron. And they're really cool toys, so you should pick them up. Hound, oh boy, I think this is going to be a complicated one. He's got got a bunch of gadgets, I see. Got a few guns, like... I don't know what that is. Grenade? I don't know. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe it goes on this one instead. Honestly, don't really know yet. Little guns. Figure's looking real nice. I like it. Got good articulation on their arm. Head moves a little bit. He's got this like back plate on his head though. Decent leg movement. I mean, his legs are bulky, so you don't expect to get a lot of, you know, limberness about it. Waist rotates. He's got this, I don't know, something to do with his transforming, probably. It's pretty cool, man. Okay, they have the gun. The hell? Okay, this goes in here. Okay, that's the gun. Whew! Hound's got a foot long. Look at that. Woo boy. I like it. I don't even want to transform. I just want to leave him like this. This Hound's awesome. He needs that big ass gun. Woo-hoo-hoo! I like it. I like it. But we are going to transform, so. Put the gun down. Oh boy. It's a big one. So Hound can use, if you wanted to put like 2 of these minis together and you make a gun for Hound, you can do that. Oh, you can also do 2 different guns, it looks like. How does that work? Something to do with his arm. This little thing can go in his arm like a grenade or something. I don't really see it. Oh, there we go. Something. Something. You can go Hound with... Oh, I guess that maybe it's a grenade pouch. Then you can go double guns. can go Hound with double dipping. That's very cool. Let's get these guns out. Okay. This might be a long video. We're at 25 minutes already. I'm so sorry if this is a long video, but it is. Okay, we're going. We're going. What? I'm already lost. Okay. Okay. A little confused already. Yeah, they do want this. How does that work? This goes up. This? No, that looks... Okay, I've skipped a bit, but I made some progress. So I'm trying to get these arms in. Still is confusing though. Okay, he's got his arms in. Wow, this sounds very complicated. Holy smokes. still don't know how. Okay. Everything is right except for these stupid arms. What the hell, man? Okay, I had the arms in wrong. The arms still stick out. They don't. Okay, I guess it is lower. See how it's lower than the okay, let's see what the guns can go on there. So we have this one, this one. So that is Hound. It's a pretty good toy. I like it. I just don't like how the arms, see how the arms are kind of like sticking out a bit on the bottom. Everything else is pretty awesome. This fits very loose on the back though, this circular thing. I will just put it up here. So that is Hound. It took a long time. But we have, in this video we have Hound, the 2 cars, the 2 tanks. Oh, can you see? Hound's got his crew. Look at that. Well, thank you for watching this review. I know it's painful at times because, you know, these toys, 8 plus. I mean, there's adults who can't transform these toys. I don't know about 8 plus. I don't know where they get 8 plus from. But that's the video. Please check out my other toy reviews. I have many toy reviews on the channel. They're almost all Transformers. I do have Ninja Turtle toys coming soon, and I'll be doing a review of that. and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe if you like my content and you think I'm doing a good job, and like the video, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.